Okay, Jim, launch sequence complete. Orbit is stable. All systems normal.
Hey, what's up?
And we are go in 3, 2, 1.
Hello, I'm Jim Reed Anderson, Six Flags Chairman, President, and CEO. When I told my team I wanted to give our guests the best possible view of the incredible thrills we have in store for 2019, they decided there was only one way to launch our new season. They told me to pack for cold weather, but I certainly wasn't expecting 300 degrees below zero. So here I am, all dressed up, with nowhere to go but down. You never know who you're going to meet in space. I must admit, this view is simply spectacular. I can see all of our parks from here, and I can tell you that something new and incredibly exciting is coming to each and every one of them. But making Six Flags better is really only one part of our job. In 2019, we're making Six Flags even bigger. That's right, we're going even bigger with 5 new parks. Hello, Houston. You will love the fun and energy of Wet n Wild Splashdown, Houston's largest water park. And what better place for a refreshing blast of H2O than Wet n Wild Phoenix, the largest water park in Arizona. We're so happy to welcome our guests to Frontier City and Whitewater Bay in Oklahoma City. And we're proud and excited to add the Six Flags name to Darien Lake near Buffalo, New York. It's a simply spectacular 1,000-acre resort with exciting theme park, a great water park, and a beautiful hotel, campground, and believe it or not, a 21,000-seat amphitheater. Okay, can I please come in now? Houston, we have a problem. A nice hot cup of tea would be very welcome right now. How? Open the door. We continue to invest in a guest experience that's absolutely second to none. That's our commitment to you. Something new and exciting in every park, every year. At Six Flags, innovation and thrills is in our DNA. And I can tell you, when it comes to world-class thrills, Six Flags is ready to go, where no theme park has gone before.
Thanks, Jim. Looks like Six Flags is ramping up the screams in 2019.
In space, they can't hear you scream.
Well, here on Earth, the screams will be loud and clear as Six Flags Magic Mountain launches its 20th coaster, West Coast Racers, the world's first quadruple-launch twin-lap racing coaster with 4 high-speed launches, side-by-side airtime hills, and a one-of-a-kind immersive pit stop, all created by the world-famous car design team at West Coast Customs. Six Flags Great Adventure introduces DC's Wonder Woman Lasso of Truth, the world's tallest pendulum ride. You'll plummet 17 storms at speeds up to 75 miles an hour. At Six Flags Great America, get ready for Max Force.
May the Force be with you.
Breaking 3 records, it's the tallest, fastest air launch coaster in America. Go from 0 to 78 miles an hour in under 2 seconds with the world's fastest 60-mile-an-hour zero-G corkscrew roll and the world's highest double inversion. In times of chaos and injustice, the world needs a superhero. Six Flags Discovery Kingdom introduces DC's Batman, the ride, with 2 beyond 90-degree drops, 360-degree flips, and unpredictable inversions. At Darien Lake, guests will be taking flight on the new Six Flags Sky Screamer, a 24-story sky-high adventure that soars through the clouds and a view that goes on forever. Six Flags America introduces Firebird, smoother, faster, with new floorless trains. Soar through half a mile of twisting track, dive 9 stories, and spiral through 2 inversions. Coming to Six Flags Fiesta, Texas, now open year-round, DC's The Joker, the world's tallest pendulum ride at 17 stories with speeds of 75 miles an hour. Six Flags Mexico presents 2 new kids areas, DC Super Friends and Bugs Bunny Boomtown, with 13 rides, thrills for the entire family. Hurricane Harbor in Wastupek unleashes the new King Cobra. Riders will plummet and splash through twists and turns, coming face to face with a massive King Cobra. Six Flags Over Texas debuts 360 degrees of pulse-pounding excitement. Lone Star Revolution, the world's tallest loop coaster. Go forward, go backward, go face to face with 6 inversions and record hang time. Six Flags New England launches the new DC Cyborg, a totally unique, multi-dimensional thrill ride that will spin you into the future. The Great Escape will be bigger, better, wetter than ever with a new Bucket Blaster, a splash and spray sensation that's as much a thrill as it is a chill. At Frontier City, the wildest kiddie rides in the West are coming to the new Timber Town with 3 new attractions. Six Flags Over Georgia will be going wild on the new Pandemonium. Soar through the skies at 70 miles an hour and plummet 15 stories again and again. At Luron, it's Chaos, a 7-story loop coaster, 360 degrees of high-speed inversions and record hang time. Guests at Six Flags St. Louis will be taking flight on DC's Supergirl Sky Flyer. Soar through high-speed spins nearly 7 stories in the air. This fall, it's the biggest and scariest Fright Fest ever. And celebrate the season with Holiday in the Park, now at 13 parks.
Ho, ho, ho!
Well, that's it from planet Earth, where Six Flags is getting ready to go big in 2019. Back to you, Jim. Jim? Earth to Jim. Come in, Jim. Jim.
Welcome to the moon. I can tell you for sure that it's not made of cheese, and there's not a decent hotel in sight. We've come here to plant not just 1 flag, but 6 flags, all in the name of world-class thrills. So make your plans to see what's new for 2019 at the thrill capital of the universe. My pledge to you is that no frontier is too far, no challenge too great in our quest to deliver a theme park experience that's absolutely out of this world. This is Jim Reed Anderson, Chairman, President, and CEO of Six Flags, signing off. I look forward to seeing you at a Six Flags park very soon. E.T. phone home.